Hello everyone, I welcome you all in today's Top 5 News by The Hindu, brought to you by Orfiki. My name is Amrit and let's begin. In our first news, the government has hinted that it may have to calibrate the supply of the COVID vaccine to the lower income countries because of the rising cases of COVID-19 in India and जो government ने decision लिया है that people above the age of 45 are now also eligible for vaccination. So this may affect India's commitment to supply vaccine to lower income countries, and India has already supplied more than 60 million doses of COVID-19 vaccine since January. In our second news, tensions increase हो रहे हैं South China Sea में as the Philippine military has ordered the deployment of more Navy ships against a fleet of Chinese boats which are parked near a disputed reef. So now China जो है वो claim कर रहा है a majority part of this resource rich sea, and USA ने accuse किया है China को that they are trying to intimidate and provoke others by this move. अब ये जो region है South China Sea का ये already बहुत disputed region है. China it often provokes the 9-dash line to justify its historic rights, and अगर आपको इसके बारे में और पढ़ना है then you can also read about the disputed Parcel Islands and the Spratly Islands. In our third news, RBI Governor Mr. Shaktikanta Das has forecasted that the GDP growth in fiscal year 22 will be at 10.5%. He said that the RBI is fully committed to use all public policy tools to recover an economy which is majorly affected by the pandemic. And he said that he is confident about this growth because first of all the vaccines वो जो है वो बहुत ही fast pace से release हो रहे हैं and people are getting vaccinated. And second he said that people know the protocol against COVID-19, and he said that would help in recovering the economy. In our next news, the government has made some new appointments जो आप में से बहुत सारे लोगों को शायद helpful होगा ये those of you who are preparing for your entrance examinations. Importantly, Saurav Garg, he is appointed as the CEO of Unique Identification Authority of India. Mr. Sanjeev Kumar, he is the new chairman of Airports Authority of India, and Mr. Atish Chandra, he is the CMD of Food Corporation of India. Also, Mukhmeet Singh Bhatia, he was appointed as the Director General of the Employees State Insurance Corporation, and Mr. Prashant Kumar Singh, as CEO of Government E-Marketplace. Moving on, one of the most busiest waterways in the world is blocked. जी हाँ, the 400 meters long MV Ever Given, the vessel is now blocking the entire Suez Canal as it is diagonally wedged between the canal. अब ऐसा कहा जा रहा है that the vessel it went off course and it went aground during a thunderstorm, और इसकी वजह से अभी एक बहुत मेजर ट्रैफिक लग गया है शिप्स का on both ends of the Suez Canal. And जैसे आपको पता ही होगा कि ये एक बहुत important water passageway है for ships who are trying to connect between Asia and the European region. और अब इस पैसेज की वजह से ऐसा कहा जा रहा है that it would hit the world oil market, and the futures has already been surged at 6% because of this. And in today's homework reading, I would like to suggest these two articles. The first one being where the social media giants like Facebook, Twitter, and Google, they will have to justify to Congress on their efforts to prevent their platforms from spreading falsehoods and inciting violence. And the other article being where the Rajya Sabha has cleared the legislation to establish the National Bank for Financing Infrastructure and Development. That is all from our side. We will meet again tomorrow.